Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an in-depth, long-form review of a bold new entrant in the electric pickup world, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 pickup. This is BYD's latest evolution of its Shark series, leveled up with rugged pickup capability, modern electric performance, smart utility features, and a design that blends futuristic cues with truck-ready presence. Buckle up, because we're going full detailed, from its exterior and interior to performance, pricing, suggestions, and why this EV pickup deserves serious attention right from the first moment you see the 2026 BYD Shark 6 pickup. You realize this isn't just another truck. The exterior design pushes a modern, aerodynamic language forward while embracing the bold stance we expect from capable pickups. The front fascia is sleek yet purposeful. Slender LED headlamps stretch outward, giving a wide, confident expression, while the front bumper incorporates subtle air curtains and integrated sensors without compromising strength. There's a functional elegance here, a balance between futuristic looks and purpose-driven engineering that improves airflow and efficiency. The hood meets the front with crisp lines that add visual depth, and as you move toward the side profile, the Shark 6 reveals a strong silhouette. The wheel arches are squared and muscular, hinting at rugged capability, yet they don't look overdone. This pickup rides on large wheels with robust all-terrain tires, giving a stance that feels ready for both city streets and off-grid adventures. The rocker panels are protected with molded cladding, and modular mounting rails run along the bedsides, ideal for accessories like racks, camping gear, or utility mounts. Looking at the bed itself, BYD has engineered this area with practicality in mind. The cargo box is deep and easy to access, with a tailgate designed to open smoothly with minimal effort. Integrated hooks and multiple tie-down points make securing loads simple, while available modular storage solutions allow customization for work tools or outdoor gear. There's even an optional underbed storage compartment for items you want out of sight without sacrificing usable bed space. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Shark 6 pickup continues the modern theme with a full-width LED taillight bar that glows sharply across the tailgate. This lighting signature enhances visibility and gives the truck a premium look at night. The lower bumper features integrated reflectors and functional bumper steps, which help you climb into the cargo area more easily. Subtle trim accents and sculpted surfaces maintain a high-end feel without losing rugged utility. Step inside the Shark 6 and you start to understand how serious BYD is about creating a pickup that's both comfortable and tech-forward. The cabin is spacious, well laid out, and filled with modern touches that elevate it above many traditional pickups. BCH seats, soft, supportive, and designed for long drives, welcome you in, with heating and ventilation available on higher trims. The driver's seat is highly adjustable and visibility in all directions is excellent. Thanks to thoughtfully sized windows and mirror placement, the dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the center stack that controls navigation, music, climate, vehicle systems, energy management, and camera views. The interface is intuitive and responsive, with high-contrast graphics and easy-to-reach icons. Physical buttons are minimal but present where they matter most, like climate, shortcuts, and volume control, giving a clean yet practical experience. The digital instrument cluster in front of the driver is wide and customizable, offering real-time energy usage, range estimations, navigation prompts, driver assist statuses, and performance metrics. Surrounding this, soft-touch materials on the dash and door panels, premium stitching, and thoughtful trim choices give the interior a refined feel that belies its utilitarian roots. Rear seat passengers aren't forgotten either. A generous back seat provides plenty of legroom and headroom, and rear climate vents, USB-C charging ports, and optional seat heaters add comfort on longer journeys. Fold-down rear seats expand cargo flexibility, while thoughtfully placed cup holders and storage bins emphasize practicality. Now for performance, and this is where the BYD Shark 6 pickup really shines. As an electric pickup, it offers instant torque delivery, smooth acceleration, and efficiency that gasoline trucks simply can't match. Depending on the configuration, the Shark 6 can be equipped with single or dual motor setups. The dual-motor variant provides all-wheel drive, significantly improving traction and off-road capability. Acceleration feels eager and confident, not just from a standstill, but throughout everyday driving. That's one of the electric advantage moments. Smooth, linear power delivery without delay or hesitation. Range estimates for the electric powertrain are competitive, with enough real-world range for both daily commuting and longer hauls. Using regenerative braking boosts efficiency further while reducing brake wear. Tow ratings on the Shark 6 are also impressive for an EV pickup, with solid torque available for trailers, boats, toys, or work equipment. A tow-optimized mode tailors power delivery and reg into heavier loads, making uphill climbs and descents smoother and safer. The suspension is tuned to strike a strong balance between comfort and capability. On highways, the ride feels composed, with minimal body roll and good absorption of pavement irregularities. Off the beaten path, the robust chassis and adaptive suspension help the vehicle tackle uneven surfaces with confidence. Selectable drive modes, such as Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road, allow drivers to tailor the truck's responsiveness to different conditions. From city streets to forest trails, advanced driver assistance systems come standard or available, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automated parking, and 360-degree cameras. These features make everyday driving easier and safer, especially in tight urban environments or busy highways. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 BYD Shark 6 pickup is positioned to deliver strong value in the electric pickup category. Base models are priced to be competitive with other mid-range EV pickups, offering excellent efficiency and technology for the cost. As you move up trims, adding bigger battery options, enhanced towing hardware, premium interior packages, and outdoor or off-road accessories, pricing steps up accordingly. Even at higher trim levels, the Shark 6 typically lands below many legacy brand EV pickups, making it an attractive choice for buyers who want cutting-edge electric power without an overly premium price tag. For suggestions or areas of improvement, one area some buyers might want is expanded range options, especially for heavy haul use where range can drop under load. Offering a larger battery pack with optimized energy management could further widen its appeal. Another suggestion would be modular bed accessories directly from BYD, things like built-in toolboxes, slide-out trays, or integrated power supplies for job sites. While aftermarket solutions exist, factory integration often yields better quality and user experience. Further enhancing the infotainment personalization features, like customizable themes or advanced connectivity with smart home systems, would also add to the daily usability. And although the exterior design is modern and attractive, offering multiple styling packages such as rugged, sporty, or luxury themes could help buyers tailor the truck to their exact lifestyle. Overall, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 pickup represents a compelling leap forward in electric pickup design. It combines thoughtful engineering, strong performance, everyday practicality, smart utility features, and cutting-edge technology in a single package. It's efficient without compromising capability, roomy without sacrificing comfort, and capable without losing style. Whether you need a dependable work truck, a weekend adventure vehicle, or a daily driver with high-tech flair, the Shark 6 delivers a well-rounded package that stands out in a fast-growing segment. Thanks for joining me for this full review of the 2026 BYD Shark 6 pickup. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more comprehensive reviews on electric pickups and modern trucks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.